This is our CleanJet system. The CleanJet system consists of the controller, the chiller. It requires argon gas, although at a manufacturer's plant, automotive manufacturer's plant, this will be piped in usually. They may have bottles, but typically it's piped in. And it consists of a bolt-on CleanJet gun. The way the process works is we are able to clean aluminum by allowing a small leak of gas in the gun. A low current charges the gas, positive particles, and creates an arc. The arc flows because of the gas pressure, and the arc lasts about 2 seconds, max. It's very controllable, but depending on the type of cleaning necessarily, we may adjust some of the arc. Okay, I would like to demonstrate the CleanJet movement with the arc only, no stud welding at all. I would like to demonstrate the CleanJet cleaning and the stud weld aluminum TH539 welding. This is an all-in-one process with one signal.